just intoxicated. Small alcohol. Okay.
She's got to put handcuffs on you.
Are you serious?
Yep.
On the afternoon of June 1st, 2026, Volusia County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to multiple 911 calls, reporting a suspected drunk driver in Daytona Beach Shores, Florida.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
Yes, there's a drunk driver, black Chevy truck going down Peninsula towards Dunlawton at the time being.
With the Pennsylvania license plate.
Almost hit several cars.
Right into a mailbox.
Ran into a trash can, making a U-turn in the middle of Peninsula. Tried to pass 2 separate times, driving down the wrong side of the road.
Okay, black Chevy truck?
Yes.
Pennsylvania plate.
And it's a woman driving, a blonde-haired woman driving.
Okay, and which way currently is it going on Peninsula? Is it going south or north?
Southbound towards Dunlawton.
Okay.
We're up at the school at the time being when it all happened, the elementary school. At that time, she was going northbound. Then she made an illegal U-turn in the middle of the Peninsula.
Okay.
And then when she made a U-turn, she was heading straight for us. We had stopped so we'd stay out of her way.
Yeah, she almost hit us head on.
Okay. All right, what is your name? And what's the phone number for you? Okay, all right, we'll put it out for our units to be on the lookout for it, okay?
All right, thanks. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
911, what is the address of your emergency?
Actually, I'm calling to report a very drunk driver.
All right, what street are they driving on, and what's the nearest intersection?
They're on Peninsula and Daytona Beach Shores, just north of Peninsula and Carter.
Carter, okay. Which direction are they traveling?
Traveling south, it's a older model GMC with Pennsylvania tags.
What color is the GMC?
Kind of a gray color.
Okay, what are they doing?
It's a young blonde lady. She was all over the road. Really, really, really bad.
Okay. Did you see the license plate number from Pennsylvania?
I got C605 something. I didn't get the whole thing.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Just stay at a safe distance. I did put in a call, and we'll let the units in the area know what's going on so that they can be on the lookout. Okay. Just stay at a safe distance, though. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I've never done this before. Like, that's how bad it was.
Okay.
So.
Yeah. You've been helpful. You've done everything right.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
I need an O2 tank right now.
Where's this driver? Hey, she needs O2. Where's this driver at?
Is down there sitting on the beach. There's a car next door. That's a negative. It's a woman. She's in orange.
She's wearing an orange shirt.
Yeah, orange shirt.
Down there.
Smell of alcohol. Right there, that guard.
Okay. Hello.
An injury. She's just intoxicated. Small alcohol.
Okay. Yeah. Tide's going out, right? Man, what's your last name? E-L-L?
Alright. Deanna, here's what's gonna happen right now. I'm gonna put handcuffs on you, okay? Well, she's gonna put handcuffs on you.
Are you serious?
Yep, she's serious.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And then we'll put her into that car. Put her in the car right now? Yes. And we'll tell you what's going on in a minute. Yep. Nope. But we're gonna explain what's going on here in a minute, okay? So as soon as that happens, we'll let you know.
Alright. When are we start? Seriously? Yep.
Well,
Could you please not record this?
That's fabulous.
Okay, let me check real quick. Alright, hold on. I'm just taking your bracelet off. Alright. You're not going to try to wiggle your wrist out of that, are you? Because I'm going to make them tighter if you're going to be a problem for him. Okay.
No, I just really wish this video would have.
Alright, go ahead and step in.
let me grab her bag.
Tammy Jo Baker, 62, was killed on impact in the crash. She would have celebrated her 63rd birthday on June 16th. Deanna Harrell, 35, was arrested 2 days later and is being held without bond at the Volusia County Branch Jail. She faces charges of vehicular homicide and DUI manslaughter. Prior to her arrest, Harrell was placed under Florida's Baker Act, following statements indicating self-harm concerns. Authorities say the investigation remains ongoing. Blood alcohol results are still pending and a forensic examination of the vehicle is underway. Additional charges are expected.